Mac 101, the Finder. When you first start up your Mac, you're greeted by the Finder, which allows you to visually access practically everything on your Mac, including applications, hard disks, files, folders, and CDs. You can use the Finder to organize all your files and folders as neatly or as messy as you want. Search for stuff anywhere on your Mac, delete things you don't want, and more. To see all the goodies on your Mac, double-click the hard disk icon. An icon is a small graphical representation of an item, such as a file, folder, application, CD, or drive. This opens a Finder window which allows you to visually see the hierarchy of your computer's contents. Finder windows generally include a sidebar on the left-hand side that displays whatever mounted and accessible volumes you have, such as a hard disk, iDisk, network, CD, DVD, iPod in the top portion. The bottom portion contains your user account folder, aka your home folder, the folder named after your user account name. Some of the folders found in your home folder include your desktop documents, downloads, movies, music, and pictures, and the applications folder. And this is what it looks like. The contents of the selected folder or volume appear in the right pane. Depending on what view your Finder window is set to, this pane may look a little different from ours. Our window above is shown in the Icons view. In Icons view, you can navigate through your hard disk contents by double-clicking the pretty folders to view the contents inside. To go back one folder, click the Back button in the toolbar. To close a window, click the round red button in the upper left corner. If you don't want to close the window but want it out of your way, click the round yellow button to minimize the window to the dock. If a window is chock full of stuff, you can resize it by dragging the lower right corner to make it bigger. Or click on the round green button to maximize the window's size. To go back one folder, click the Back button in the toolbar again. If you'd like to change how folder and volume contents appear in the right pane, click one of the View buttons in the toolbar. For example, when we click the List View button, our Finder looks this way. It magically transforms itself into this. List View enables you to see more content in the window than Icons View and displays some extra file and folder information, such as the last date the item was modified, the size of the file, and what kind of item it is. As an Icons View, you can navigate through your stuff by simply double-clicking folders until you find what you're looking for. If you'd rather see your stuff displayed in a more hierarchical fashion, click the Columns View button. In Columns View, the right pane splits into multiple columns to display your computer's file and folder organization. Instead of double-clicking folders to see what's inside, select a folder in any column, click on it once, and its contents will appear in another column to its right. If you really start digging down deep into your folder, you can drag the bottom right corner of the Finder window to expand it and see how many layers you've traveled. And this completes our video on the Finder.